To talk about the diminished chord. We are going to talk about the diminished chord, and I want to explain what the diminished chord is and how to use it somehow. You know, chords are based on tonality, based on the degree of the notes as well as the intervals. If you look at the C major chord, the reason why it's called a C major chord is it contains of a major third and a minor third here. The major third means it has 4 semitones. 1, 2, 3, 4. This becomes a major third. A minor third, 3 semitones. So this is a triad, means 3 notes played together. When I play 4 notes, adding the octave, it becomes a chord. So now, to play a minor chord, all you have to do is what? To reduce the third, flattened the third. That means you are reducing the degree of tonality of the third. So if this makes it a major, when you flatten the third to this black note, which is E flat, it becomes a minor. And in music, we have degrees. For example, augmented is greater than major, and major is greater than minor, and minor is what? Greater than diminished. So if I have a major and I flatten the third, and I want to create a diminished which is lesser than the minor, I just have to flatten the fifth. This is the fifth note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I add this note. So this is a diminished triad. This is a major. You want to go to minor, you flatten the third. A diminished, you flatten the fifth. So it becomes a diminished chord. Now, but mostly diminished chords are placed like this. If you look at it carefully, it has an A in there. This is called a diminished 7th chord because you flattened the 7th twice. If you understand intervals, a major 7th contains 11 semitones from the root. A minor 7th contains what? 10 semitones. You are reducing. And if you reduce one step, it becomes what? A diminished 7th. So this is the major 7th, the minor 7th, and the diminished 7th. So if you play a diminished triad like this, and you add the 7th here, it becomes a diminished 7th chord. So this is how a diminished 7th chord is formed. 1, you flatten the third, you flatten the fifth, and you add the sixth in every key. I hope it helps.